Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Today's topic is all about taking you guys to my local market. Then once we finish doing the shopping, buying all the fish, chili, onions, and then garden eggs, then I will take you to my kitchen and then share with you how to cook the fresh palm nut soup. That's what I will be sharing with you guys with fufu. Very nice. You can also have it with rice. So that's all is coming into this video, guys. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Don't try to skip. If you skip, you'll miss it, guys. As you can see, look at that finishing look, and look our to the position of attack. Mind you, our markets are very noisy, guys, okay? So bear with me on that. So this is the fresh palm nuts, okay? This is how we look. This is the fruit where the palm oil come from, the red palm oil. So once they take it off the tree, this is how we look. So we're using 5 cups of palm nuts there. 5 cups. So wash very well. And then we're going to boil it with the coal, the charcoal. Okay, we in Sierra Leone, we're fond of cooking outside a lot. So I love it. I really do. I love it. Just sitting there with the fresh air cooking. It's something that I love. Absolutely. So this palm nut, we bought it the day before. So this is why we're preparing it first before we go to the market, so that we can leave it to boil. Once we come, it's faster to start cooking. So once it's finished boiled like that, really soft, it has to boil really soft, so that way you can extract all the juice and the palm oil out of the nut. All right, so we're going to palm it. My cousin is doing all the hard job. I'm just filming, so bear with me there. I'm not used to this again. Yeah, so she's going to palm it very well like this, as you can see.
So you use like,
so that black thing there, it's the
palm oil.
How do you call this? They got this oil, the way they call it. Yeah, but anyway, that's for another story for another day. So you have to use warm water with cold water in order for the palm oil not to stick with the remaining stuff there. So she's taking all the sift out. Then after that, we're going to strain it. You have to strain it really smooth, okay? Because that palm nut fruit there, it looks like bones, really. Yeah. So we strain it twice. Once we finish straining it twice, then we're going to add water to it and then to rinse it out more. Then we're going to leave that to boil. When we come back, we're going to start the cooking, guys. All right, so we're on our way on the motorbike. Take you fast to the market. This is, we can walk, but it was too hot, 70 degrees, so I couldn't walk. I just decided to take bicycle. Maybe when we're coming back, we might walk home. Yes, so this video is from 2022. Yeah, 2022 we shot this video, but it's late upload. Yes, Wellington, this is where we are, Melon Street area. So guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Just came to buy few stuff, guys, so stay tuned.
You go able to cook. How much are the fufu? That small one no more. You 2,000. Okay, how much?
How far to do so?
Yeah, the 2,000. Okay. Pick it back. So guys, this is the raw fresh. This one is the pure organic rice. It's so nice. 2.5 for cup. 3 cup. They can't see it. Eh? Thank you. Yeah. But this does not look green, sir. Does not look green. Look, go for slow, go.
1,000, 1,000. Yeah, much? 1,500.
For one.
Yeah, that is 2,500. Yeah, the one
Yes. When I hear here, that's very expensive. So which one do you want to buy? The small one. Wow, you say 1,000, yeah?
You know, it's
How many? 5,000. And 4,000 again. 4,000 about now buy it. No go. Okay, say yeah, so
5,000 and 6,000.
which one are the red one?
3,000.
Okay. We got can pepper anyway. Okay, they add them.
2 cups. That makes 2 cups.
11,000. 11,000.
20.
Mother, now you put in that before now. So the Banga we don't buy now. No, don't buy them. How much you say? 45. Go check first. Which one is not bad? Because the last are the 3, how much you buy? 70. We don't need Ghana.
1,000.
Yeah, you are there.
Give me 2,000.
Guys, the raw fish is so dear. Local market, the fish can be very expensive. So we're just looking around. We have to look around and see for the big one and a good price. So we have to go to the end of the market, then go to the other side. They have 2 sides, so we're going out to the other side.
You can be big one. Two tough for 10,000. Now the one that I go give it. Yeah. 30,000. Thank you. I will give you luck. We see people that will come buy all this just now, okay?
As we were going, we saw coconut. I love fresh coconut. Yes, and we wanted to do something in the morning with coconut, so we just want to grab some few. So the lady gave us some to taste. It was so juicy and sweet. Dry. I love to chew coconut. Yeah. Dry coconut like that. Yes, I'm a fan of coconut.
Yeah, just 1 3 no more. How much for this 3?
1,000.
Yeah, 2,000. Yeah.
No,
This is more than 2,000. Not so.
No, that one they wait.
What's the difference?
So they.
okay, this one, yeah.
Hey. 2020.
No go look first, no go to the end. We'll see what you will see. Last? We'll get this one. 20,000. 20,000. Hey, this country where fish day. Now they fish not there at all. Water. Yeah, 20,000. Okay. Mata, what about this one? Ine scatter.
Oh, why?
Okay, we don't buy. Oh, yeah, we don't buy. Yeah. No, me, I want to go buy that this one, the 82. Mata!
We're just going around looking for fish bargain because we need up to 70,000 fish, like I said earlier. So we finally bought the last one. So we went.
You didn't give that nigga. Give me body, a big boy. I'm not gonna yeah, 20,000. Fish expensive. All size. Fish expensive. Hey, then see how now go they cover them, they fly them. Camera no more.
I be animal clean or green? Clean one.
When you so we don't shop now, we dey go now.
Soap, how much? This 2,000.
You don't get money. Where you? Make camera woman.
No problem. All that 150,000. Yeah.
Guy, the bag was heavy with fish, man. I had to give it to my cousin back to carry. I couldn't hold it till we walk home. So we're heading home now. Walking. It's just like 10-15 minutes we'll be there. Not too far. It's Wellington. So the market is Wellington Market, it called as well. It's not too far from our house. So I'm helping someone to carry a business on ahead. That's our culture, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
We're heading home now to start the cooking.
Comment. Please show me some love. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, comment and let me know which kind of video you would like me to show you next. Okay, yes. So we're home now. This is all the fish we bought, as you can see, for 75,000.
60,000, all of this fish, 60,000.
Because we're going to make fish ball and everything. I love fish ball. So that's the palm oil base. We just boil it half and half, okay? Because we're going to add the other ingredients inside. chili, onions, the crab. We're just preparing everything behind closed door, guys, so that the video can wrap up quickly, because we already spent more time on the market. When we went to the market, we spent more time, so we're adding the crab. We finished fry the fish now with the palm oil. So as you can see, that's the fish is fried very well. So delicious, guys. Wait until you see we finish. So now we're adding the chili and then with the onions mix. So everything we add now, we're boiling everything. The fish ball, we finished the fish ball as well. I couldn't make a video, I think I forgot.
Tastes really nice.
So we add the fish ball and then we're adding out the fish. It's a simple soup because it's the palm nuts was the added, so we did it before we went to so now we're adding the fish. That's it. Just gonna leave that to boil. You can have this with rice or fufu. You know, I don't usually eat this all the time, so when I go home, when I visit home, I try to eat very healthy and then also enjoy myself. I love fishball. I love fishball. So that's the fufu. It's just for me, the fufu, so we bought small. Yeah, I just want to eat fufu. When I'm here, I don't eat too much of this food. So that's the rest of the rice for the other family. So I think this food is ready. Delicious, so sweet and spicy. Ooh. So guys, you see, our palm nut soup is ready to serve. So they always serve me first, guys. I'm the visitor, right? They always serve me first. See, those fish ball is all for me. The fish, I will save that later for the rice. So I'm just having the fish ball and some crab with fufu with the palm nut soup. I wanted to eat this for a very long time. And
let's
now I've got it fresh. Fresh is going down, guys. It was so delicious. Come and join me. Out of this well. So nice. My cousin did so well. She can cook. She can cook very well. So as you can see, I was helping them in the kitchen, you know, even though I was filming, I was still doing some stuff, guys, okay? Yeah. So now she's serving the rice with the rest of the palm nut soup. We in Sierra Leone, we consume rice a lot. The fufu, other stuff, they're like snack. But every day, it's rice for us in Sierra Leone. So this is how they dish the rice. So I was just eating the local rice. I don't eat the imported rice. It's the local rice. They always cook for me, which was good. I love it. Guys, don't forget to follow and subscribe.